ready to take charge of your finances and pave the way to financial success? Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a bulletproof budget that will help you achieve your financial goals, whether you're tackling debt, saving for the future, or aiming to grow your wealth. First, let's start by identifying your financial goals. What do you aspire to achieve? Whether it's clearing debt, saving for a dream home, or building an emergency fund, having clear objectives is the foundation of any successful budget. Next, we dive into tracking your income and expenses. Grab a pen and paper or your favorite budgeting app and list all your sources of income. Then, categorize your expenses. Think housing, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. This helps in visualizing where your money goes each month. Now, let's allocate your income effectively. Prioritize your needs over wants and set aside funds for savings and debt repayment. Remember, a good budget isn't just about restriction. It's about making room for what truly matters to you. Keep an eye out for spending leaks, those small unnoticed expenses that add up over time. Maybe it's that daily coffee run or subscription service you barely use. Identifying these can free up more cash to put towards your goals. Don't forget to build in flexibility. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should adapt to unexpected costs. Having a buffer can reduce stress and keep you on track. As you implement these strategies, you'll find that a well-planned budget can bring immense peace of mind and financial freedom. You're not just managing money, you're empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. Whether you're new to budgeting or refining your approach, these tips will help you stay on track. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical financial insights. Together, let's move towards a stress-free and prosperous future.